Ever feel like traditional banks just don't get the hustle of being a freelancer or running a small business? Tons of paperwork, hidden fees, and limited features can leave you frustrated. That's where online financial platforms like Qonto come in. But with so many options out there, a crucial question remains: is Qonto legit? Understanding Qonto's game. Let's break it down. Qonto isn't your typical bank. It's a payment institution, which means it offers some banking services but isn't a full-fledged bank itself. This might sound sketchy, but hear me out. Qonto is regulated by the French authorities and partners with a reputable bank, Credit Mutuel Arquia. This ensures your funds are safe and covered by deposit insurance up to 100,000 euros. So, Qonto's legit. But is it right for you? Now, the real question. Here's where things get interesting. Qonto shines for freelancers and small businesses. Their online platform offers a bunch of features specifically designed to make your life easier. Multiple business accounts, organize your finances with separate accounts for income, expenses, taxes, and more. No more messy spreadsheets. Seamless invoicing, create and send professional invoices directly from Qonto. Track payments, manage overdue invoices, and say goodbye to chasing down clients. Expense management, effortlessly categorize and track your business expenses with Qonto's handy tools. No more digging through receipts at tax time. Team accounts, give your team members access to specific accounts and spending permissions. Perfect for delegating tasks and keeping everyone on the same financial page. Mobile app, manage your finances on the go with Qonto's user-friendly mobile app. Approve payments, check your balance, and stay in control wherever you are. Is it all sunshine and rainbows? While Qonto offers a lot, there are a few things to consider before diving in. Limited features. Compared to traditional banks, Qonto has fewer features. You can't deposit cash, apply for loans, or earn interest on your balance. Pricing. Qonto has different pricing plans with monthly fees. This might be a turnoff for freelancers with a low income stream. Not a bank account. Technically, remember, it's a payment institution. This might not be ideal for everyone, especially those who need traditional banking services. The verdict: legit and loaded with features, but not for everyone. Here's the bottom line. Qonto is a legitimate and secure platform for freelancers and small businesses. The features they offer can save you a ton of time and hassle, especially with invoicing and expense management. However, Qonto might not be the best fit for everyone. If you need access to traditional banking features like cash deposits or loans, or if you're a freelancer with a very limited budget, Qonto might not be the right choice. The final tip: do your research. Before signing up for any financial platform, take some time to research your options. Consider your specific needs and compare features and pricing plans. Qonto might be a great fit, but it's important to find the platform that best suits your financial situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.